This is a critical week for the federal government shutdown. Two major developments. Federal food benefits are set to run out of money, and health care premiums could skyrocket. Despite the urgency for American families, lawmakers in Washington have not worked out a deal. Notices of rising health insurance premiums are already starting to arrive in mailboxes. Those hikes in premiums have Democrats refusing to sign off on the funding bill to keep the government open. Republicans say they will talk about the rising premiums, but only after Democrats vote to reopen the government. Democrats say Republicans need to act first. This standoff in Washington comes at the expense of federal workers who are not getting paid or have been laid off, and families who depend on federal food programs. The end in federal food benefits will impact millions here in California. The CalFresh program, which helps people buy groceries, is federally funded.
And counties are trying to help as much as possible, and you can find some of those resources by scanning the QR code on your screen right now. KCRA 3's Michelle Bandur is live for us in Midtown Sacramento with the impact for Sacramento County. Michelle?
Well, Lisa, here at the River City Food Bank, they are bracing for longer lines to form here tomorrow, and they're expecting more people because that is the distribution time, tomorrow and Thursdays, when they give away that food. And these are families who normally wouldn't be here because they are able to buy their groceries through the CalFresh program, otherwise known as food stamps. Now, these benefits are on hold during the government shutdown, and food banks will feel the hit. The Sacramento Food Bank is figuring out how to manage the most people they've ever had to feed, 330,000 a month, and now they are figuring out ways to help the extra thousands who rely on the 100% federally funded program of CalFresh. Sacramento County Department of Human Assistance has created a website to help answer questions and look for resources. If your card still has funds on it right now, you can use it, but it won't be reloaded for November. The county says contingency funds are not available either for CalFresh.
This is the first time that CalFresh benefits have been impacted during a federal shutdown, because in the past those contingency funds have been used. And so once we found out that they were not going to be used, and that if the government did not reopen by October 23rd, that people would start to see the impacts in their November funding, I wouldn't say we panicked, but we don't have a plan specifically for this, and so we have been meeting every single day, multiple times a day. We activated our emergency operations center to figure out how we can support the community during this unprecedented food crisis.
Yeah, so what can you do? The county wants you to call 211, because what they're doing now is they're putting all those resources together along with, what happens at the food bank as well as faith-based organizations. At this time, though, with the federal government still in shutdown, they don't know how long these benefits are going to be on hold, and that people will have to rely on somewhere else to get their much-needed groceries for their families. Reporting live in Midtown, Michelle Bandur, KCRA 3 News.
Michelle, if someone watching this right now wants to help people in need, how can they do that?
Well, Lisa, as you know, money is always the best way to donate to the food bank or those faith-based organizations. They have it all worked out on how to spend that money wisely to get, the most bang for their buck. And, coming up, KCRA, we have our turkey drive. That's November 14th. So there's a great opportunity there for you to donate. We know the community really turns out for that. And you all also turn out for Run to Feed the Hungry, with those proceeds going directly to the Sacramento Food Bank. Registration is open for that. So while you're out doing your shopping, think of those others and help with your donations, and bring an extra turkey along with what you normally donate during our turkey drive.
Yeah, it's a good heads up. Just keep that in mind as you're starting to head to the grocery store and start to see those sales come up. All right, Michelle, thank you so much. Lots of great ideas.